Good morning, everybody. It's time for another shave. And for today's shave, continuing with the Black Friday haul, I'm gonna be using Noble Otter Logbook. This one was recommended to me by Chris Lather Yeti, and it smells really nice. Definitely, so far out of the top, is my favorite out of the ones that I've gotten so far. So far. Of course, I'm gonna be using the matching splash. Beautiful label, as usual, from Noble Otter. Very nice. Aviation inspired. And for the brush, I'm gonna be using my Wald Flare. Already loaded. It's a beautiful, simple walnut. Matching blur pearl. Gotta match. I'm talking about matching. I loaded in my Cayuen. This one is Dark Blooms, I think it's called. Look at that. It's been a while since I bought Lather. Huh, Chris? How you get that? How you like that, Chris? And for the razor, to continue matchy, the Never Alone for Bison with the same Gillette Silver Blue that I've been using for the past shave. So this is gonna be like third use, I believe. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Oh, hope everybody's doing well. This is Saturday morning. Oh, it's not. I forgot how good the freaking walls are. It's so soft. It's like 5 in the morning or something like that. I don't know. It's early, but not that early that it's not 3 in the morning or something like that. I didn't wet my face to avoid drowning the soap because I have a fairly reputation of drowning soaps after I load them on the bowl. I tend to work the lather way too much on the bowl, and then I add water on my face, and that's it. It's drowning. Let's see how it goes. I prefer to wet my face. I feel like it helps, but I've never done it before like this, so you don't know unless you try. Lather is looking good. I still work it. I don't care if I bought lather or face lather. I work the lather on my face. I don't like to paint it. And that's it. I like to work the lather on my face. Not a paint it and carry on. So I still gonna take my time. Oh, so you gotta let the skin. Is that a? Oh, I bent hair. You gotta let the skin soak in the moisture and all the good stuff. I was looking at the storage options or storage cabinets on places to see if I can freaking pick up all the freaking mess that I have in the bathroom for soaps. Oh, a few, but we'll see. So I saw some collapsibles that are interesting, and they are cheap. Because I can overspend on this hobby, but I cannot overspend anywhere else. And food. I spend a lot of money on food. Freaking others. Looking great. I say shit. I will still add a little bit more water. But I'm gonna see how it feels. It's been a while since I bought lather, so not gonna lie, I enjoy more face lathering now. I enjoy face lathering more now. In a way, it seems easier now and faster, but I got used to it, so. Oh yeah, has the thickness. Also regarding Bison, finally, the stainless steel should be approximately, or estimate, on to be in Florida on Tuesday. Looking forward to that one. I have the Overlander on stainless steel and aluminum, and I prefer the stainless steel, which is rare because I tend to like lighter razors. But Karve is one manufacturer, or, well, technically he's a manufacturer. He makes manufactured razors and brushes. I don't know if he's still making brushes. I don't think he's making brushes now, but he started making brushes. Man, the scent is really nice. It's very cologne-y. Very nice. Chris knew that I was gonna like it, so. So I had the razor and like 3 more coming up. Got the one from Omo, the Urkunet razor or something like that, the Assassin. It gives me blood vibes, so, or blood vibes. Oh, I got it. Looks really interesting. Barry did a video yesterday with it. He got 2. And seems like the 1.5 seems to be the better option for me. It took his 4 days like nothing. And he was having a little bit of issues with the 2.5 because obviously the gap is so big that it changes the shaving angle. But he gonna get it. But it seems like the 1.5, even the 1.5 is very efficient, so not aggressive, but efficient. We'll see when I get it. They still have the pre-order discount, so with the money I save, I pay for the FedEx shipping. Hopefully I get it faster that way, which it should. We'll see. Freaking Bison is such a nice razor. It's not, when I say that I love a razor, it doesn't mean that it's the best razor that it shaves for me. It just has something that I love it. For example, Athena, I love it. I love how it looks. I love how it shaves. But it's not my mildest or smoothest razor. But I love it. And the Bison is the same. It's not the smoothest, it's not the mildest, but I love how it feels. It has so much leather. Has so much leather. Same, for example, I would say the smoothest that I have, it's gotta be between the Overlander, the Blue, and the Timeless. But no other razor comes close to the Timeless on across my neck. And I'm pretty sure it's because of the head. That head doesn't care how fat your neck is or how many loose skin, how much loose skin you have. It will glide like nothing. Then I have, what other razor do I have? The Razor Work single edge that you can tweak. I mentioned it on a video before. You can tweak a lot of that razor. Let's see how that one works. Gonna be very interesting. Then I got the Razor Works. I mentioned the words. I just mentioned it. The Maxwell June, I ordered it. I didn't got the Black Friday price because I bought it after, unfortunately, but it was $20 more, so it's not the end of the world. It's still a really cheap razor, so nothing wrong with it. Don't fall. And then, what other razor? There's one on Kickstarter that I got, the folding travel titanium razor. That one wasn't expensive, because I heard people talking about one that is really expensive, but that one is not it. That one I paid like $100 for it. And comes with the case and everything. Couple of nicks. Seems to be the same nicks that I do every shave since I started using the injectors. But they close fast, so nothing. Not very matter. And this area always. I didn't have to do those pickups, so I guess I got more peach fuzz growing, I guess. Or maybe they changed the pattern, the growth. The grain pattern maybe changed. Yeah. Still have this left out, but I'm not gonna chase this. Not every razor can get that. So I'm not gonna push it. Anyway, I want to chase tomorrow. I have a ton of soaps. A lot came in yesterday, and then I have like 6 more on the way, or even 8. I don't know. Too many. Time for the splash. Always shake it. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, definitely I way past the storage issue. took over completely all the master bedroom. Oh, such a nice scent. It gives me it's a cologne, but it gives me some kind of peachy vibe. I don't know. It smells nice. Definitely my favorite so far. But I got more to come. I have right now like 7 soaps in front of me, waiting for a shave. But anyway, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching as always, and I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Enjoy your weekend.